Hey, what's up, everybody? We're back with another food review. That's right. We got something new, man. Brand new. Never seen this in my life. Hot Charlie's. I believe this is a local. Yeah, this is made in Maryland Heights, Missouri. So we're in St. Louis. I don't know if you'll be able to get this out of town. Who knows? Brand new. Never heard of it. Hot Charlie's. This is the best heat in town, spicy ranch, chicken and bacon, thin crust pizza. So I definitely wanted you guys to get a glimpse of it. And we are about to put this bad boy in the oven. And let's see what we got. Oh. What? We're back. Here we go. You guys ready? Big reveal. There it is. Actually looks looks pretty good, man. I'm not gonna lie, the first thing I noticed after taking it out of the package to cook it is it seemed very lightly topped. Not much on it. But now that it is finished, it don't look too bad. The cheese melted. There's some spots that could use a little more stuff, but not nearly as bad as I thought. There it is. Again, we got Hot Charlie's. Look at them. Spicy ranch, chicken and bacon, thin crust pizza. Best heat in town. It honestly doesn't even really say what it is. I had another one too, but I think it was just like a bunch of meat. I'm not sure. But there was two different ones. Hot Charlie's. Looks good, looks different. The bacon and the chicken both look pretty good. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like, that's bacon. That's not frozen pizza bacon. That's actual bacon. Nothing we can do but do it, right? Hot. What is that? I guess that's the spicy ranch. I keep expecting like a buffalo, which is what I want. But clearly it's spicy ranch. It almost had a garlicky taste to it. It was really hot too. It's so strange because it doesn't look like there's much on it, especially sauce-wise. But when I bit into it, I got a mouthful of hot sauce. Oh wow. That was chicken. The chicken was really good. I'm not the biggest fan of chicken on pizza. I do like buffalo chicken pizza, but it's just usually, the chicken's usually not that good. It's like those pre-made chunks or whatever. This is actually really good. It's almost like a shredded. There's the bacon. Also, very good. Hot Charlie's. They're pretty good. That first bite got me. Got that kick. I knew it was spicy, but I wasn't quite ready for it. What? Pretty good. Nice thin crust. Kind of buttery. I dig it, man. I'm not gonna lie, I really wish it was buffalo, but Definitely got like a distinct flavor to it. I enjoy it. And it's kind of a nice change of pace, if you will, than the standard pizza. Not only with the premium toppings, but you know the different style of stuff here. Fun packaging. I mean, look at him. He's cool. I'm honestly impressed with the toppings. I think this was on sale for like $5. Being honest, maybe $6.99 at the most. I bought 2 different pizzas, so. That's good, man. Those are probably the best toppings I've ever had on a frozen pizza. Like, that's premium quality ingredients there, which is probably why there's not a ton of it. That would be the one bad thing I have to say is I love what you're doing, Hot Charlie, but do more of it because it's good. The spicy ranch is good. Nice change of pace. I would love a buffalo version of this, but spicy ranch, chicken bacon ranch is pretty good as well. The toppings are on point, man. I feel like I'm gonna go big, and I don't want to. Ben Bones, when they're doing a pizza review. I'm gonna say that the ranch, the spicy ranch sauce, is probably hit or miss, depending on if you're into that or not. But after that first bite, it's just like a subtle kick. Chicken and the bacon are fire. This is a solid frozen pizza for real. Man, I know you guys hate me right now for stalling, but man, you know what? I honestly don't know what my highest score is, but I'm gonna go 8.3. 8.3. I really like what you're doing here, Hot Charlie's. This is good pizza. You need more toppings, more abundance, more quantity. The quality is on point. Keep the quality. Give us some more. I dig it, man. For sure. If you can get this, I would definitely suggest giving it a shot, man. 8.3. Yeah, that's good stuff. I'm going to try the other one probably. I think. I don't know what it is. Unless it's got vegetables on it. But yeah. I picked this up at a Schnucks location. I had never seen it before. But there it is, man. Hot Charlie's. 8.3. Boom. Boom. Oh yeah. Definitely give it a shot, man. That's a review. Replicon is watching. Oh, quick update. It's not over yet. This is just took a slice in there to Grandma. And just so you know, it's Grandma approved. Grandma says it's real good. Real good. So there you go. P approved, Grandma approved, Replicon approved. Hot Charlie's, man. Woo!